طيب. Also in the second principle we saw Shaykh al-Islam mention an ayah وَيَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَا يَضُرُّهُمْ وَلَا يَنْفَعُهُم. And there was a delicate benefit that we took from this last week. Why does Allah say لَا يَضُرُّهُم before وَلَا يَنْفَعُهُم? Does anybody remember? They worship things that can't harm them and cannot benefit them. Why did Allah say harm first? Why didn't Allah say they worship things that can't benefit them and that can't harm them? You see the point here? Why did Allah say harm before benefit and didn't say benefit before harm? Excellent. Ibn Jama'ah, one of the Mufassirun, have said ما لا يضر. Usually people, there's another ayah in Surah Furqan where Allah says ما لا ينفع ولا يضر. So yanfa comes before. And Ibn Jama'ah says here that when it's ease, somebody calls you to follow a Lord and follow a religion. Now, if you were to say that, look, let me worship this idol, Allah protect us, you would think instantly in your fitrah, this thing can't harm me. So in times of ease, in times of being called towards Islam or called towards a religion, called towards worship, you will think, okay, why would I want to worship this thing? So he said, مَا لَا يَضُرُّهُمْ, because even if you worshipped it or you didn't worship it, it cannot harm you in the slightest. If you worshipped it, it can't harm you. If you don't worship it, it can't harm you. There's only one Lord that can actually do that. إِلَهُ الْحَقِّ. But then, مَا لَا يَنْفَعُ, in another ayah, because those people, when it comes to dire need, they will go to these graves, they will go to an idol, they will go to a temple, etc., and they will do shirk, because in times of need, this is when they need shafa'ah and istighatha. So in times of ease is isti'ana. إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. We need your assistance. But in times of difficulty, usually the words that we are using here is shafa'ah and istighatha. Shafa'ah is intercession, and istighatha is relief. The Shaykh then goes on to talk about two types of shafa'ah, the good type and the bad type. We had the bad types where these things can't benefit you. You will not actually get closer to Allah. You'll actually have your deeds nullified and you'll actually be further from Allah if you were to worship these things. But the Shaykh actually said that there is tawassul in Ahlul Sunnah. There is shafa'ah in Ahlul Sunnah. Shaykh al-Islam